years' time, you get out of this flat salary cap era, instead of, having to re-up Pedersen in those years when the salary cap is changing, you've already got him locked in, and the cap is going up, his percentage of the cap is coming down. It's the bet that the greater portion, the second half, with Bo Horvath early in his career. Not the full 8-year term, but you're getting the benefits of that now. And that's why you have to pay big time to get the long-term deal, because if you bridge these guys, you better know that when they come up for their next contracts, if everything goes to plan, they're going to be asking for a lot more money than what they would be asking for today.
I would live with that, though, because the upshot of signing them to an 8-year contract on the next deal is you're getting them signed throughout all their prime years and the early 30s part of their years.